Man. Up top.
You make that youth?
Louder thing I get louder now, yeah?
No, stop.
Who from there? Bud!
That is what you call skill. Kamal Christie is only 15 years old, but he has the knowledge that clearly is beyond his years. As the saying goes, one man's trash is another man's treasure. And this young man is proving that to be true with his creations from discarded materials. Also with him, the lady who is behind the lens or behind the camera in the video you just saw, her name is Martlyn McFarlane, and she's a woman who made, as I said, the Facebook video of Kamal that has gone viral. Good morning to you both. Thank you for being here. Kamal, you are a star. People recognize you now? So you are the youth of building? Yes?
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about Kamal. You're 15, we know that. Where do you go to school?
St. Margaret.
Okay. And what do you enjoy doing with your time?
Usually make toys when they at home.
Mm-hmm. And how long you been making toys?
For a long time.
Yeah, you said from you were young, but you're still young. So 5 years, 10 years, long time. Who taught you to do it?
Well, man, I can just play with things and so.
Yeah. Well, as a youngster, you have no time. I mean, this is your job. But to be able to do it and do it so well, we're going to get into some of the toys now, but Martlyn, you were across the road that day.
Yes, I was at my business place
Yes.
today and I went across the road to look some change for a customer. I saw a little crowd gather around Kamal. So I just look and I said, whoa, and I started doing a little video and then I stopped because the lady at the shop was waiting on me. So I said, all right, then when you're finished, come over by my shop. And the young man was there and the young man said to him, remember when you finish, go over our shop, you know, because you have a video and you're going to go viral today. And I did my little video.
And it
just
went viral. Oh, wow. So you could literally have been the catalyst that is going to promote.
Yes,
yes.
I'm going to be a part of it.
Send this young man to greatness. All right, so let's talk through some of the stuff that Mr. Kamal have. Who is this, Kamal?
That will be my Bat Ninja.
Bat Ninja. Look at Bat Ninja. This, you don't have to ask if this is a Bat Ninja. But look at the intricacy. This is what? Wire?
Yeah, and the plastic bag.
Plastic bag? And a fork?
Yes, that's right there.
This is amazing. So how you work? You draw anything before you start, or you just get the idea in your head and you just...
Just make.
How long does it take you to do?
Well, not really long.
What is the material in here? There's no material in here. This is just bag and wire.
Yeah.
Down here. So the only place you have the fork is up here.
Yeah.
So all of this is...
This one like a bag and wrap up.
Wow.
I put inside it. Shape like the head part.
This is a cape? What is it?
Yeah.
It's a cape. Ah, it says me was doing it wrong. Guys, this is a plastic fork with a scandal bag and some wire. Look at this thing. I want to take it away. Prince. Yeah, because there's a lot of cloth on the table right here. Look at this thing. Honestly, one of those cities making like how much toy store?
Yes.
Look at that. Intricacy. All right, so that's one. Tell me about this man here now. Who is this round the back?
Well, it's
Put
the
him on
dragon
this
version for Nightmare Foxy.
What name?
Dragon version for Nightmare Foxy.
Dragon version for Nightmare Foxy. All right, I'm going to take him up again because you may not be able to see it clearly. Prince, I'm coming back to you. All right, so look at this. This is electrical cord.
Yeah.
Again with wire. Fork? Fork. Fork. This is incredible. And this take you how long to build, sir?
Well, 2 hours.
This is incredible. I don't even know if you realize the kind of talent you have or what you're really doing. I don't think you realize. Because it comes so easily to him, Martlyn, that he's like,
doesn't
I'm
realize.
just build it and
Yeah.
we build and we're done. But the one that was creating the major stir downtown now is a car. Can't get him to stand up. Hold on there. Stand him up there for me, come on.
Okay.
You've got to fix his feet. This
You
is
can
science.
set a
This is
pose.
a little bit of robotics. This is a little bit of everything.
It is.
In all sorts of
is.
disciplines
It
in
is.
one. All right. Let me see how your car works now. Come on.
You see, it's a transformer.
It's a transformer. More than meets the eye. Let me move this back.
Well, I can transform it and show you.
Yeah, that's what I want you to do. Wait, can you guys see clearly here? Come down here with me, Virgin. Show me now. Right. So now first it's a car.
Yeah.
Put him out here.
We'll
Yeah.
change.
Yeah. You need some sound effects.
If you had it, you want to do that.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Ah. Dude! You are so talented, guy. I don't know if you know. I wonder where we go from here. Which company or entity is watching that can see the gift that Kamal has in his hand and encourage him?
We'd love that.
This is
We would love that.
I mean,
We would
you
love
have
that.
schools that are sending teams abroad to competitions that deal with this very thing. But he has it in his, I mean, it's literally coming from his hand.
There are persons.
You can sit, come
There
on.
are persons who are interested in helping him as well, so I'm getting some
We
numbers
said-
in my inbox.
Yes, man.
So, you know, but
After
we'd
this
very much
morning.
love for persons to see him and, you know, for him to move forward. This
So
is
you-
a great guy.
So you bring your tool, let me see your toolkit, sir.
Yeah.
Let me see where in your tool pan.
You should be a lot of stuff I use in this tool bank.
No,
So you're
honestly,
making stuff.
guys, here's what's in Kamal's tool pan.
Use the
A
fork.
bag
and
of straw, fork. No, honestly, some bottle covers and some electrical cord. That's it. This is amazing. I am so impressed by what you are doing here this morning. This is going to take you really, really far. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching, there's a 15-year-old young man here by the name of Kamal Christie who has gotten some publicity this morning from a good Samaritan named Myrtle McFarlane, who, for all intents and purposes, is a prophecy I'm making, but you're going to change. You've changed his life already. So, robotics. I don't know what there is that you cannot do with this kind of leaning. So, if you want to help him, Myrtle, you said you set up an account, an email address. How
No,
can people
persons are inboxing me.
Yes.
So if persons want to get in touch with Kamal, they can phone me
Yeah.
at 429-2309.
Okay.
So
Kamal-
we're pretty much going to, you know, fix up a little team for Kamal.
Yes. 423.
429-2309.
429-2309. Kamal, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I run more entire company.
Run your own toy company. It's gonna happen this whatever day of what's the day name? 17th of May, young man, is about to be the beginning of the rest of your life. Thank you
Thank you very much, too,
Martin.
for having us.
Fantastic. Respect, Kamal. Respect. Good job. Well done. Coming
you.
up, we discuss. This is changing lanes because my blood pressure just eased. But when we're coming up, we're going to talk about hypertension and why you should know your numbers. It is World Hypertension Day. So we're shedding some light on that in a moment. The man can't stop working. Still at work. But yeah, I don't know. All the teeth. I mean, the intricacy of what he do. The teeth.
It's the tip of the fork.
I know. That's what I realized.